Hey! In front of me is Nokia X10, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection on this device. First of all, you need to open Settings and in them, scroll all the way down. Then tap on System. Now you need to click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyword, and Gbird. Following that, click on Text Correction section over here, scroll down just a bit and click on this sweater next to autocorrection. As you can see, after that, autocorrection is off. If you wish to turn it on, you can always do that by clicking on the same, now gray sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!